Over 18,000 developers starred OpenWork as an open alternative to desktop agent silos. It brings centralized workflow capabilities directly into any AI command environment. Managing custom integrations across Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex usually forces total re-implementation. But the way OpenWork standardizes these local and remote tools changes everything. The OpenWork repo contains the Electron app source, organizational control tools, and agent instructions. It connects your existing agents to tools like Google Workspace and enterprise integrations seamlessly. You can even instruct an active terminal agent to bootstrap the desktop app automatically. Under the hood, the system condenses all connected plugins into just 2 MCP primitives. The MCP server negotiates authorization, queries active organizational policies, and dispatches task execution. Adding the remote server definition lets any compatible client discover your configured desktop tools. Requests pass from your prompt into capability search, then route straight to execution. For teams, OpenWork then functions as a centralized control plane for model and tool distribution. Here is how enterprise governance works in practice across multi-agent environments. Enterprise administrators configure upstream model providers, publish custom plugins, and invite members centrally. Command line setup requires just one terminal line to register the remote agent protocol. Connecting a client triggers a single browser sign-in to authenticate against your organization. On macOS local development, real keychain prompts will block Electron main loops unless mocked. Isolated worktree profiles dynamically assign free debugging ports to prevent process locking conflicts. These safeguards ensure multiple developers or instances can run parallel builds without collision. The desktop client targets macOS, Windows, and Linux without locking you into proprietary wrappers. It suits engineering teams who want agent interoperability without giving up central security policies. You create custom skills once, then share them instantly across every connected agent CLI. Download the desktop app or connect your agent endpoint in under 60 seconds. OpenWork removes agent fragmentation while keeping your capabilities completely open source. Check out OpenWork on GitHub to unify your AI agent workflows today.